guys, welcome to another video. My name is Chirag. I'm a third year undergrad at VIT Vellore. In today's video, I'm going to share you a list of resources that I've been using since the past year, which has made my life easier and productive. Before starting the video, I'd like to tell you about a Telegram group that I've built in order to clear your doubts and have discussions with you. And the link to that I've attached in the description box below so that you can join and communicate with me freely. So let's start with the video. The first one on the list is Kickstart Resume. So this is how the Kickstart Resume website looks like. You have a resume builder, you have a cover letter builder, you have a website builder, you also have a resume checker. So if you have any existing resume, you can just get feedbacks. Now when I go to resume and click on resume templates, you'll have a ton of templates here: Doodle, Blurred, Polygon, Sunny Ribbon. You can choose any of these templates. Say for example, I choose Polygon. You can just preview it, you see how it looks, and if you like this, you can create my resume. Click on this button right here and create your resume. The same thing goes with cover letters. You have rectangular, wide, standard. So if you just want to go with a basic rectangular cover letter, you can just preview this, you can see how it looks, and you can click on create my cover letter. The next one on the list is summary. It is SMMRY. So basically, if you want to summarize any document, any article, any report, any paper, or any web page URL, so you can use this website to basically summarize. Now let me show you how it looks like. So I go to resources and I go to summary. So here it says summarize my text in dash sentences. So say instead of 7 I write 10, and now I want to upload a file or paste a URL. So basically let me write technology and then scroll down to BBC News, and maybe the first one, South Korean battery maker LG Energy Solutions. So I want a basic summary of this page. So I just copy and I paste the URL right here and I click on summarize. So it just takes a few seconds and it says this is a 10-second summary of the URL which you have uploaded, and these are the 10 sentences reduced by 26% with 2400 characters. I usually use this tool in order to write review papers and research papers so that I get the summary of the papers I'm referring to. The next one on the list is PDF Candy. So what PDF Candy basically does is that if you want to convert Word to PDF or PDF to Word, you want to split any PDF, you want to convert PDF to JPEG, you want JPEG to PDF, or you want PPT, any conversion format you want to use, you want to extract text, you can use PDF Candy. So let me show you how it looks like. So this is the PDF Candy, which has all PDF tools, and you have convert to PDF tools, convert from PDF tools. So you can use anything, like if you want to compress a PDF. Usually in our VIT portal, when we have to upload any report, the maximum size is 5 MB. So you can use compressed PDF for that. You want to merge PDFs, you can do that. You want to convert PDF to Word to PDF, you can do that too. You can split PDF, you can edit the PDF. So there are a lot of tools right here which you can use in order to make your life easier. Now talking about the fourth resource, which is basically electronics tutorial, and this is basically for people who are in the electronics background. So it's called electronictutorial.ws, and if I show you how it basically works, so right now I'm at the website of electronicstutorial.ws. Now there are a lot of basic fundamental electronics topics that you can read and study about, and this will be very helpful for you guys in your placements. So the first, let's for example take amplifiers, and you can just see that it tells you about the amplifier signal, amplifier gain, it tells you about the types of amplifier gains and other things, whatever. And same thing if I go to say diodes, so it gives me a whole basic summary and an article on diodes so that you can prepare yourself and basically make your fundamentals strong. Now the next one on the list is Omni Calculator. So I've been using this calculator because for basic math and physics based calculation. So I'll show you how it looks like. Now you can go to Omni Calculator right here, and this is how the page looks like. And there is biology, chemistry, construction, food, finance, math, physics, sports, health. So imagine I click on math. You have percentage calculators, algebra calculators, and you have all that. So for example, I click on factorial calculator, which is actually not required, but yeah, so you can just write n is 10, and it shows the factorial of 10 is 36,20,800. The same thing with the remaining. You have polygraph calculator, natural law calculator. So every calculator is basically combined into one website called Omni Calculator, and you can use this too to basically make your life easier. The next one on the list is called Ambition Box. So as you can see, this is Ambition Box. Ambition Box is a place where you can prepare for your placements, prepare on questions depending on which domain you wish to sit for. And there are company reviews right here in the page. There are company salaries. So like a regional head salaries between 15L to 35L, 37L, and you have a scrum master, you have an associate, and there are interviews and jobs, and over 485,000 companies registered here, which you can see. Now if I go to interviews, and I can see profile wise interview questions, basically which profile you want to sit for example, there is software developer, software engineer, consultant, intern, engineer, systems engineer, and many more. So imagine I click on systems engineer. There are a lot of questions sorted by the company name. So here it says Infosys interview questions, and there's the question with an answer. TCS interview questions, Wipro, Cognizant, Siemens, Infosys, BPM, and many more. So, and here, right here at the corner, it also shows what's your salary range. So, and on an average is around 4.5 lakhs. Finally, the next resource is for people like us who want to get into investment, understand what fundamental analysis is, understand what technical analysis is, try investing in stocks, mutual fund, how to choose. So, Varsity by Zerodha is one of the most resourceful website that you can find online for financial education. You have multiple modules where introduction to stock markets, technical analysis, fundamental analysis, what is future trading, and multiple of them. And say I want to click on introduction to stock market, you have multiple chapters here: need of investing, regulators, IPOs, stock market, trading terminal, and a lot of them. So you can also click on download PDF to download the whole summary of all the chapters right here. And yeah, you can basically enhance and gain insight on how to invest. Another resource like Varsity is Investopedia. So Investopedia is also basically where you can learn more about stocks, mutual fund, or markets, or you also have a simulator here to figure out how do you invest in stocks. So basically, if I go to market and I go to company news, so Investopedia is basically you can see what's happening in the markets abroad. So the first news right here is Tesla earning, what happened with Tesla, and it'll show you the main important thing, the key takeaways of what basically happened in the earning report, the financial analysis, vehicle delivery, a lot of them. So when you go to education and say you want to learn about stocks, you can click on stocks, and you can just click on, say, the first one, which is types of stocks. And when I click on types of stock, it shows you key takeaways that you're going to understand different categories which of different stocks. You can understand what blue chip stocks are, income stocks, and all that. And you have growth value stocks and multiple stocks right here. So this website again gives you a clear insight of how do you invest. I hope you guys found the list of resources helpful, and do like and share the video. if you enjoyed it, and do subscribe if you're new to the channel. And also, once again, I've attached the link of my Telegram group in the description box below, so that you can basically put up your questions there and we could have a discussion right there. And if you have any other videos or video ideas that you want me to make or talk about, please do comment in the comment section below. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.